Welcome back to another episode of Daniel's Garage. Just a short little clip today. We're changing out the cabin air filter and trying to find the frequency for the remote key unlock. Since the car didn't come with any, I gotta figure that out before I order some new ones. And they're all should be in the same general area. So we're just gonna get this glove box off and start by pulling the edge off. Box down, and there's a little stretchy clip right here on the side. Spare headlight. Even have the factory service manual. Next we gotta take the actual glove box off, which is a little screw clip on the side here. Out. Easy peasy. Actually, make it easier. You can press it out. That's what it's for. Popped off, nothing broke. Just popped right out. And we got some clips in here. Ooh. Change your filters, kids. Got our frame. New filter. Slides right in place. Slip that back in there. Easy peasy. Alright, and let's see if I can get a picture of it. So I was able to get a picture. Had to pull this down, and it is right up there, just behind this bore, this part of the dash in front of that crash bar. And I was able to get a picture and actually see what the FCC ID number is. So I should be able to order some new remotes, and I can go through programming them. Apparently it's quite difficult, but we shall see. So I'm going to reinstall this in reverse order. Put that back in. Put this cover back on. sure why they put so many screws in that thing. Took that out. Line up that spot down there for the bottom hinge. Place, put the screw back in, get the tensioner back on, factory service manual back in, close, last but not least, outside trim. Easy peasy. Cabin air filter. Found the code for the remote unlock, so we can order some more of those, get those reprogrammed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.